Children, welcome to the online classes. This is the continuation of the chapter, that is print culture and the modern world, and this is the last video of this chapter. Religious reform and the public debate. In earlier 19th century, there was intense debate about religious issues. This debate was carried out in public and print. Print material and newspapers spread new ideas. So, in the religious matter also, print material and newspapers spread new ideas in religious reform and public debate. A wider public could not participate in public discussion and express their view. So what happened? A wider public could not participate in public discussion and express their view. The wider public could not participate in the discussion and express their view in religious reform. But there was a huge controversies between social and religious reformers. But there was huge controversies between social and religious. That means there was a big talk between the social and the religious reformers. To reach wider section of society, ideas were printed every day in ordinary language or vernacular language. In ordinary language, to reach wider section of society, idea was printed every day in ordinary languages. That so that the people can understand in very easy manner or easy way. Now, the social reformer, who was this man? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was a social reformer. Published Samachar Patra. Raja Ram Mohan Roy published some of the books. That is Samvad Comedy was the book published by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1821, and Hindu Belief published Samachar Chandrika to oppose their opinion. So, the Hindus Belief published Samachar Chandrika. This was also book published by the Hindu Belief people. Then from 1922, two Persian newspapers were published. So other languages also the print was or the newspaper was published. In 1822, Gujarati newspaper Bombay Samachar also appeared. So now in 1822, Gujarati newspaper, that is Bombay Samachar, also appeared. So we can see in this different publishers, they different languages, they have newspapers which was printed, and this was for the better knowledge, and in the religious reform it helped the people. In North India, after the fall of Muslim dynasties, Muslim people feared that colonial government could not encourage conversation. So, after the fall of Muslim dynasty, Muslim people feared that colonial government could not encourage their conversation. So, what was the fear? That was colonial government could not encourage their conversation. So that started Deoband Seminary in 1867, telling Muslim how to conduct themselves and also explaining about Muslim belief. So this was that how to conduct themselves and also explaining about Muslim belief. About the Muslim belief it was explaining. Among Hindus, so this is the religious reforms, all the religious people coming forward to express their views. Among Hindus too, print encourage people to read religious textbooks. So now Hindus also, they too print encourage people to read religious textbooks. So here the religious reformers also encourage the people to read the religious book. First print culture, Ramcharitramanas of Tulsidas, and from 1880 Naval Kishore Press at Lucknow, Sri Venkateshwar Press at Bombay published religious texts in vernacular language. Now, religious textbook reach wider circle of people, encourage discussion, debates and controversies, etc. So, what happened? Religious textbook reached wider circle. That means to more people it reached circle of people, and that encouraged discussion, debates and controversy, etc. Print not only encouraged conflict opinion but also conducted communities in different parts of India. So it encouraged, print not only encouraged conflict opinion but also connected communities in different parts of country. It connected in different parts of India. New forms of publication. Novel developed in Europe. What was the new forms of publication? It provide user new world of experience, gives idea about diversity of human life, other forms of literature, lyrics, short stories, essays on social and political matter. With the setting of printing press, visual images could be easily reproduced. Printer like Raja Ravi Verma produced image for mass circulation. Cheap print and calendars were easily available now. So what happened? Cheap prints and calendars were also available now. By 1870, some of the cartoons were being published in newspaper, journals were commented on social and political issues. By 1870, some of the cartoons also was published, so that by this they can cartoons and some short stories of pictures and all, that people can understand the languages. Women and the print. So what was the role of women and the print? In last video also we have seen that the reading was shown, or the women were more interested in reading, and it only this improved for the print. Life and feeling of women began to be written. Women readers increased, especially in the middle classes. So in the last video we have seen the rich women were only reading the book and they were enjoying, and they were the readers also, plus they were the writers. But now what happened? This interest went in the middle classes also. Middle life and feeling of women began to be written. Women readers increased, especially in the middle classes. So now what happened? From the luxurious classes, now middle classes increased, especially in the for the reader. Women readers were more in middle classes. Journals started being written on importance of women education, but not on families were liberal. Now here what happened? More importance were given to the women's education, but in every house the male were not so interested to give importance for education to the woman, but in some families they were very much interested so that the female or the girl child should learn. So what happened? Women's education, but not all families were liberal, so it was given more importance. Hindi printing start that is in started on 1870s. So Hindi printing, which year? 1870s. Journals covered important topic like women's education, widow remarriages and national movements. So journals covered some important topics. Topic was what? Women's education. That was the main topic. Women's education, widowhood, widow remarriages, widows can remarry, then national movement and feeling love towards the country. That was the topic taken. From late 19th century, important issue caste discrimination began to be written. Jyotiba Phule's book Gulamgiri, that was in 1871, talks about the injustice of the caste system. So this book, what does it tells, or what was the talk was about? The injustice of caste feeling. We know during that time the caste feeling was there. In 20th century, public libraries were set up, expanding access of books to common people. So in 19th century, what happened? Public libraries were set up. Public libraries were set up for common people. B.R. Ambedkar, E.V. Ramaswamy wrote on caste, and their book were written all over India. So these two persons were there who wrote on caste, and their books were written all over India. Now print and censorship. By 1820, Calcutta Supreme Court passed regulation to control press freedom and company encouraged those publications. So here, who encouraged here? By the act was passed, that was in 1820. Calcutta Supreme Court passed regulation to control press freedom. So press were having freedom and to encourage those publications. After the revolt of 1857, attitude of freedom press changed. So in 1857, the attitude of press was changed. After the revolt, vernacular newspaper became nationalist. Now 1878, Vernacular Press Act was passed, model on Irish laws, on Irish press law. Now print and the nationalism in India. Connect different communities, spirit of togetherness and oneness. So what was the nationalism? Print and the nationalism in India. So what happened? This print, what it does, or what the print has done to India, it connected different communities, and due to that there was spirit of togetherness and oneness, and it made it one. Now newspaper like India Mirror, the Kesari, Bombay Samachar, etc. These were the newspaper. Now national literature brought revolution inspired to write against British. So nationalism also came, feeling love towards our country. Then some articles were written, some articles by, it was written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee, then Rabindranath Tagore. They were very great leaders, great social reformers. Then Bal Tilak prepared people for national struggle. So these were the people who prepared people for the national movement. So this all with this video, and I am going to complete this chapter, and you can see the question answers in the PDF, children. And since I have taken history chapter so that you can learn very nicely, because this history chapter contains 5 marks questions. So learn it very nicely, children, and get prepared for the exam. We will be arranging some of the exams, because since you are going to appear for the board examination, we will prepare some of the questions to revise this chapter. That's all. Thank you.